Hi friends, this is Subrat here and this is the 97th video on my Python series, and in this video we are going to discuss about file handling concept in Python. So let's start. So it is one of the advanced techniques or advanced concept in Python that someone need to understand it clearly. So at first we need to understand what is a file, then only we can handle the file by using the file handling techniques. So file is a named location on disk to store related information. Suppose you want to store your resume or CV. You can just create a Word file and write your name, what is your total experience, what are your timelines of work you have did. All those details about yourself you can write and you can store inside a Word document, and that Word document is called a file, and it will be stored permanently in your hard disk. It is used to permanently store data in non-volatile memory, that means hard disk. Since random access memory RAM is volatile, which loses its data when computer is turned off, we use files for future use of the data. Whenever you are creating a variable in Python, after execution of the program, the variable will be removed from the memory. That is a volatile memory. Your variable will go and store inside the RAM, which is random access memory. We cannot refer that variable in future scenarios. But in case of file, the file data will go and store inside the hard disk, which is non-volatile memory. That means in future, if you want to open the file and do some operation on it, you can do that. So this is the advantage we are getting if you are using a file. So when we want to read from or write to a file, we need to open it first. The first step to do any operation is to open the file. Then only we can do read or write operation. When we are done, it needs to be closed so that resources that are tied with the file are freed. So whenever you are opening a file, some resources will be allocated to it. So resources in the sense, some memory space, some CPU clocks, lot of things will be allocated to a file. So after finishing the work from your file, you have to close that file so that other processors or other processes can access that resource. If you are just holding the resource, then it will be dedicated for that particular file only. No other process or no other file can access that resource. After finishing the work from your file, you have to close the file. So it is the best programming practice to close the file at last. So hence in Python, a file operation takes place in the following order. So at first we need to open a file, then whatever the operation you want to perform, if you want to read the file or you can write the file, so you have done the second step. So after that we need to close the file so that other processes can access the resource which is attached to your file. So this is the best programming practice. After doing the operations, you have to close the file. So friends, this is all about what is a file, and I'll explain in details what is file handling concept in Python in future videos. I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.